Hey everybody, what's going on? What's up? I'm Hard PC Gamer and welcome to another video. Today guys, we are playing Team Vanquish on Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare. I'm gonna be the paratrooper, which is a rare character. This guy just has no idea what's coming. No idea what's coming. One destroyed. That means he's not dead. Okay, so he's up there. Oh, I see him. I see him. Oh, it's a teammate. Where did he go? Oh well. I saved you, teammate. There's a guy over there. Guy over there. So we did join a little tiny bit late. Actually, get a long distance kill. Saved an ally too. There's a good. Is there somebody up there? I don't know. Oh, there's someone definitely up there. Huh? That's a kill. Stop the enemy Vanquish streak. Okay, medic, save this boy. Oh, he's dead. I will. Oh no. No. Damn it. 2 and 1. I tried to jump away, but I can't, because when they put the blue thing on you, you go really slow. So, well, right here, that's a kill. Right there, pop that. Oh, okay, so that just goes right. Oh, jeez. Multiple people are getting blown up. No, I'm not. Damn, is he still alive? Oh, yeah. Revive him. Yes. Oh, up. No, I hit the roof. Here, me. Oh. Nope. Oh my god. OP, dead again, Mathis. You're dead Piranha Plant now. So yeah, I'm actually using the paratrooper. Really real character. Actually, I want to pick this guy up. Can I pick this guy up? Ugh. No! Again, it's the same guy. No, underkill. These guys are so annoying. Jeez. There's a. That's a plant. That's a plant. Let's go. Plant sniper. Destroy 3 cactus walnut tall nuts. I think I already did that. No, again. Who's this guy? The OP, we know how to use them. Jeez. But we're winning, barely. Oh. That's all. It's 10 vanquishes away. Where's all the baddies at? Oh, revive. Can I use my boost? I want to use my booster up. Let me use my booster up. Hurt? No, need a little bit of a regen. Right there. That is it. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that's it. That's our game. And we won 50 to 46. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment inside the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you guys another video. Oh wait, no, we got something. Assist master. I got 8 assists and I'm at 5 and 4. Guess that's good. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.